Okay, small house.
Small, yes.
So, small roof, even though it is on the second floor. I would plan on putting a roof on this house.
Me too.
Here's an easy formula. If it looks like it needs it, it needs it. Because it'll look like it to your buyers and to your appraiser. So replace it. With what color? I don't know. Ride around, look at some roof colors you like, take pictures of them.
Also on the roofs, y'all, these days, you can get the same price on a 30-year architectural shingle roof as you can single tabs. So we don't even mess with single tab roofs anymore because you're virtually the same price on a 30-year architectural shingle.
Yes, and to an appraiser, that'll give it a little value. You know you done it right. Now, what's the top of your list?
Roof.
Oh, we got that one now. That's right. We didn't put a price on it, did we?
Not yet.
4 to 45.
Put $5 grand on the roof because it's on the second story. That will easily replace it. What's next?
Carpet or floor cover.
Carpet or floor.
Floors look pretty good shape in that place, didn't they?
Tile looks good.
All the way through, so the floors. All the way through. So we don't have a floor estimate. If anything, we got to clean them up a little bit. I'd leave that one alone. What's next?
Exterior looks good.
Well, it looks good, but ladies, are you going to be okay with that color?
No.
Therefore, it doesn't look good anymore, does it? So we need to paint the house inside and out, don't we?
Yeah.
And that's a vinyl siding. We can definitely paint it. So give me a number.
3,000.
4,000, right?
4,000 inside and out is plenty. Probably a little too much, but it's okay. What's next?
Central heat and air.
Central heat and air.
Look good. Look good.
Do we have central air?
I didn't see a unit.
Yes.
I saw a window unit. I didn't see it.
Anybody see a compressor outside?
Anybody see HVAC outside anywhere?
No.
I don't think we have central air. So, do we need it up here?
Yes.
It gets hot as hell up here. No way I'm going to renovate a house without central heat and air. In Florida, I can't put a HUD tenant in it without air. Because you can die in that heat. So how much?
4,000.
You got 2 stories here and you got to start all over. And that means the air handler in the basement has got to go. They cannot use it. So I think you're going to have $5 grand in this system.
Did we notice ductwork? I guess it's got ductwork.
I'm assuming we're going to have to replace the ductwork because it's designed for just that heat.
And that's for the 1,500.
Well, it's part of the $5 grand because the system is not going to cost more than $3 grand.
Right.
I'll just call it $5 grand. What's next?
Kitchen.
All right, you want to save the cabinets, ladies?
No. Yes.
Okay. Certainly need a countertop, though, don't you?
Yes. A new sink.
And what kind of countertop, Jay?
In all of our houses, folks, we're putting remnant granite in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. We don't buy retail, all right? So we buy from the wholesale distributor of granite, and you can too.
And your contractor can.
And your contractor can. So, we are...
This guy off your neck, go.
Oh, okay, thank you. So on the granite in a kitchen, you're talking about $750, $800 difference of what a countertop would be. And in our bathrooms, it's only costing us $250. You can find your granite distributor in your area by going to Google or whatever your favorite search engine is and typing wholesale granite or granite distributor in your city and state.
Really, all you need to do is let your contractor know that there's a remnant granite store that they probably should be visiting.
That's right.
They might already be visiting them. All right? Remnant means leftovers.
Oh.
You don't really need to be visiting any remnant granite store. That's their job. You don't go pick it up. They go pick it up. Your contractor can always send you a picture of the granite they're looking at to see if you're okay with it. And you'll be okay with it. All right? How much?
For the kitchen?
countertop, and sink.
Oh. For that kitchen's going to be maxing out at 1,000 on the high end.
Including the sink.
Yep.
Sink must be either ceramic or stainless steel, and it must be deep, right, ladies?
Under metal.
Yes.
Okay. I don't like the stainless steel. I'd much rather have the ceramic sinks in there. That sink alone is going to be $200 or $300. So, okay, so let's just put 1,000 on it.
Yeah.
All right. What next?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Your bathrooms are in good shape, up and down. Cabinet upstairs needs to be painted. Frankly, there's not much else to do. Maybe put a medicine cabinet and a light or two in it. That's all miscellaneous. Okay. Next.
Rotten wood.
Rotten wood.
None.
Don't see any.
Window.
Windows.
Yep.
Every window in the house needs replaced,
20.
which will totally change this house.
Big time.
White vinyl windows with storm windows on them. Totally change this house.
Skipped electric.
So
Somebody counted 20. Did anybody count the windows?
20.
20?
you counted the windows. All right. It's a 1,200 square foot house. How much for windows?
300.
6,000.
Actually, these windows ain't going to cost 300 each. I'll tell you that. Put $5 grand on there for windows, and that'll easily replace them.
That's including labor.
That's including labor. Everything's including labor. Yeah. All right.
We skipped over electric upgrade.
Electric upgrade. You're going to have to upgrade it. I didn't even look at it, but if it don't have central air now, it's almost certainly going to need to be upgraded. That's another $1,500.
15?
1,500.
Wow.
1,500.
50 counted, right?
1,500.
Yeah.
All right. What's next?
Garage. No garage.
No garage. Next.
Basement.
Basement.
Water in the basement.
But that water didn't come through the basement. It came from some
Hot water heater.
hot water heater or whatever.
Hot
in
water
there.
heater, probably.
I don't think we got a basement issue. We've already got it covered in our paint. Now, we got a major component here that's not that normal. We've got two of them, actually, that ain't on your list.
Clean up.
One of them is this yard. Is this a monstrous job?
Yeah.
It's going to take a couple, 3 guys a week to clean up this yard. Look at it. I mean, literally. They're going to take out a lot of the bushes. They're going to open it up from the road. Got to get all that lawn mowed and get that garbage off the lawn. All these bushes. But look at this backyard. And frankly, this yard is a nice selling point for this house. And these trees, you can't buy that tree. You can't buy that tree. So this is a really nice hidden place for somebody to live. The yard, I think, will be one of the big selling points after you clean it up so you can actually see around it. That tree there needs to be trimmed up. So what that means is a 40-yard dumpster, which is huge. You could live in it. It's that big. Parked in this driveway, and the yard guys, I'd let the yard guys come in first. Well, they can come in simultaneously with a contractor, and they could be a different contractor. You can get the yard guys to come in here and do their thing. It has nothing to do with the guys doing the house. But I want this yard cleaned up as fast as possible.
No landscaping though?
Well, landscaping's already here, frankly. You got to take it out, not put it in. Not much to put in. And if you put it in, you can probably get it from somewhere else in the yard. Got some nice bushes, we want to save them. But make no mistake, this is not only a big job, but that dumpster where I live costs $500 every time it's dumped. And it'll take, I don't know, boy, with this stuff in this yard. Now, sometimes they can put it on a trailer and haul it off, but honestly, just sticking it in a dumpster is the easiest way to get rid of it. But it's going to be a charge to get rid of this stuff.
$3,000.
You can't just cut it and pile it up out front. God, it'll take the city months to come take this stuff. So they got to get it out of here. And every tree's got to be trimmed up. It'll take every bit of $3,000 just clean up this yard. You agree?
That was not fixed.
Every bit of it.
That was not
That
fixed.
includes a dumpster.
That includes the dumpster. And it'll take them every bit of a week, too. Now, what's the next major?
Junkie neighbors.
Well, no, not junky neighbors, just
Excuse
plain junk. Okay?
I did skip the foundation.
See this stuff in this house? This thing is loaded with crap. Now, I've seen them worse,
Oh, yeah.
but there's a lot of stuff. You see, did you guys even look in the attic?
Yeah.
Even the attic's full of junk. All got to come out. One of the first things to do. And there you go. I promise you there's enough stuff in here to fill up a 40-yard dumpster by itself. Just cleaning this house out. And a couple of guys, it's 2 guys and some time in a dumpster is all it is. But still, it's a pretty good sized job. I would guess they could clean this house out in a whole day with 2 guys. But that's a little bit more than normal for a clean out job. So we could just throw it in miscellaneous. So are we through with majors?
Foundation.
What about it?
I didn't see
any foundation problems.
I see a big
Okay.
crack. on the
Driveway
second-
looks good.
Third floor.
And the only other one
You
was
saw a crack in sheetrock, huh?
plumbing.
Plumbing. You don't have any plumbing. Worst case, maybe hot water fix a leak, whatever. All right, all miscellaneous. So let's add up your majors. See if you guys can add.
Now don't round up yet. You just want to do your actual figure.
I got 25, he's got 21.5.
25,000.
You got 30. Okay. So I'm wrong here. I gave you the numbers.
22? 22 and a half. 25. It actually came up to 25 even.
25.
24.5. Okay. That's before we did mine.
I put 500 for plumbing, just in case.
No, I didn't tell you to put 500 on it for plumbing. I didn't tell you that. Remember, the miscellaneous column covers everything that's not in the majors. Or are we going to need a pretty nice miscellaneous column here?
Oh, yes.
In fact, I'm going to put 10 grand on it just for miscellaneous. That covers all that little crap. So quit overthinking it. Especially you thinker brains. Now, whatever we come up with, are we going to be wrong?
Yes.
All right, but are we going to be close enough? All right. So what do we got? 25,000 for the majors? Yes?
35.
And then we got a $35,000 repair job, don't we? What if it costs 40? Don't forget, there's suicide. All right, put down 35,000. Your offer will create the safety valve you're looking for. Your offer, not your repair cost. It makes no difference if it's 30, 35, 40, 45, or 50. It's irrelevant. But we got enough to make an offer. Let's get on the bus.
Sounds good to me.
Boom.
I'll do it.